Okay, so today we'll discuss question number 1 and fourth part. So let us see what is question number 1, fourth part, right? So this is the question number 1, fourth part, and the question is having this question. So I'll note down the question. So I'll note down the question. So the question is 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. So this I'll name it as equation 1, or I'll name it later on. The next equation is 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Now you will notice here that these questions or the questions are having decimal numbers, right? So when you have decimal number, then slightly there is a problem of doing the question with substitution method, because we get decimal values, so that it becomes a little confusing. So what I will do, I'll recommend you that if you get some decimal value like this, you should remove the decimal, and you notice that all the coefficients are having one place of decimal with the constant also. Here also coefficient is one place decimal and constant also one place decimal. So to remove the decimal, what we can do, we can multiply these equations by 10. Very good. So I'll multiply these equations by 10 and I'll write it like this, putting in the square bracket. So that indicates that I am multiplying these by 10. So if I multiply 0.2, I'll get 2x plus 3y, and here I get 13, 4x, 5y is equal to 23. So you can see all the decimals are removed. Now it behaves like a normal equation. So I can name these equation as this as 1 and this as 2. So now what I'll do, from 1 I'll take out the value of x. From equation 1, what we get, so directly I'm writing x is equal to, you can also directly write, there is no problem if you know how to do it, upon 2. How I have done directly, I'll explain it here. First I am transferring this 3y. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y, and next stage I am replacing and transferring the 2. So this entire thing directly I have written here, this one. So you can also do it. Otherwise, what you can do, you can split this one and do it like this. So what I'll do, I'll put a star mark here, that if you want to do, you can follow this. Otherwise, directly you can do this question like this, right? So now this is the value. This is our third equation. So what we do after this, we substitute third equation in second now. So right here, substitute equation 3 in 2. So in 2, in place of x, I'll write 13 minus 3y upon 2 plus 5y is equal to 23. This x will be replaced here. So this 2 and 4 will get cancelled. So I left with 2. So I don't want to make this. Okay, what I'll do, I'll directly write it. If this is cancelled and we get 2, so 2 ones are and 2 twos are. So if I directly cancel, so I'll multiply the bracket now. This is 26, 6y plus 5y is equal to 2, right? And you can see this is a linear equation, one variable, so I can solve it and get the value of y. So I'm going to now go to the next page. So what I'll write in the next page, I'll write 26 minus y is equal to 2. 26 minus y is equal to 2. Okay. Let's subtract it like this. So minus y is equal to 26 and y will be equal to 24 plus 24, because this will give you minus 24 and then you can get plus 24. So value of y we have got it. We can name this as fourth equation now. We can name it as fourth equation, and I'll substitute this in third. I can write substitute, or I can write put substitute equation 4 in 3. So which is the 3? 3 is this one. So here we get directly x. So y will be, we'll write y as 26. So x is equal to 13 minus 2 into 24, not 26, divide by 2. 13 minus 3 into 24 divide by 2. 3 है यहाँ पर, मैंने 2 लिख दिया होगा. 3. Okay, so I have to write 3. This is 3 into 24. So how much we get 3 into 24? 72. And if I subtract 13 from 72, how much I get? 59. I think so. I've done some calculation mistakes somewhere. Let's check. Is that okay? Or I have done, or something wrong I have done? Let me check. Yeah. This is 22. That's I'm saying something wrong I have done. This is 23 here. Yes, because second equation this is 23, so it will be 23. So then means I have to change here in the next. It will be 23 here. This is 23 here, and this will be 3 now. This is 3 now, because minus 5 will be minus 3, so 3. So I replace this with 3. This with 3. Right. So this is 9. So 13 minus 9, how much you get? 4 by 2. So therefore our answer, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So this is our answer, right? Right here answer. So this way we can do it. We started with this, then we ended up here. Right? All of you understood? Fine. That's fine. Now next is, we'll take up this question now. this question, question 6th part. This one, right? So I'm going to write the question now, and then we'll proceed doing this question. So now this is question 1 and 6th part. So the 6th part question, I'm going to write it here. It is 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 is equal to minus 2, right? Now what I'll do, first I'll simplify. Instead of writing the second equation, first I'll simplify, because here you can see there is fractions. So straight away I will take the LCM. This you can do same way. You can simplify and reduce the fractions so that you don't have fraction. LCM 6, this is 9, this is 10. Now this will give you minus y is equal to minus 12, not y, sorry, 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. So this I will regard as equation number 1. This I will regard as equation number 1. Right? Actually, the one also portion over. Mago. Then we'll take the second equation now. Second equation is x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. So again we can take the LCM here. 6 I'll get. I hope you know how to add, multiply, add and subtract in fractions, so I'm not explaining how these things are coming. Now this 6, if you transfer it, it will cancel with 6, so I'll left with 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So this is our second equation now. We got your first equation, we got our second equation, simplified one. But the main equation which is given in the question is different one. So now we'll tackle these questions. So from equation 1, what I can do, I can find the value of x in terms of y, and then we can do the same thing what we did for others. So I'll continue. So now I'll go to the next page. So I'll write here from equation 1, what we'll get? Equation 1 was 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. So x is equal to 10y minus 12 upon 9. Again I have written directly. You can also write it. I have first shifted this minus 10y to here, become plus 10y, and minus 12 is already there, and 9 comes here, right? So this is our third equation now. So now I'm going to substitute equation 3 in 2. So what was the 2? 2 is this one, 2x plus 3y, okay? 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So now we can't cancel anything, so we have to take the LCM. 9, and it will multiply 20y minus 24 plus 27y is equal to 13, because here it is 1, so 9 3s are 27. So 20y and 27 are like terms, so that I can add and get 47 minus 24, 13 into 9. 9 can be transferred this side, and 13 nines are how much? Anybody have some idea? 13 nines are 117. Okay, 117. 3 nines are, ठीक है, plus 24. Plus 24 come here. So how much will you plus 24 gives you? 141. So we have here 47. This is equal to 141. 40. So y is equal to 141 upon 47, and 47 threes are 47 threes are is 141. So we can say y is equal to 3, and this will take it as fourth equation, and we'll put this in third. You can write substitute, put y is equal to 3 in equation 3. So equation 3 was this one, 10y minus 12. Okay, 10y minus 12 upon 9. Yes, upon 9 you can see. So how much we get here? 30 minus 12 upon 9. So 30 minus 12 is how much? 18. 18 by 9. So it is 2. So therefore the value of x is 2 and y is 3. So this is the answer for this question. Right? I hope you have understood this, how it's done. You can see we started from here. First we simplified and made them into normal equation. Then same substitution method we are continuing, and we got this one. Right? So I hope this you have understood. Now next is the second question, which I'll talk about the second question. I'll show you the second question here. Yes, this is the second question now. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which m is this. So they have first asking to solve these two equations by substitution method, and then you have to find this one. So I'll solve this one for you. I'll solve this one for you, and then I'll give some question answer. So we go to question number 2 now. Question number 2. So in question number 2, the equation which is given, so let us check what is the equation given. It is given 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. This is our first equation, and second equation I will write side by side, that is 2x minus 4y minus 24, and this is our second equation. So right, so from first equation I'll get the value of x, तरीका वही है. So from equation 1 we get x is equal to 11 minus 3y upon 2, right? This is the value of x, This is third equation. Then I write substitute equation 3 in 2. So what will happen? We'll get 2 like this. Okay. Just wait for 1 minute. Yes. So now here this 2 and this 2 can cancel. M is equal to minus 1. So this 2 cancel. So here this is 11 plus 3y minus 4y is equal to 24, right? So this is minus 7 minus 24 minus 11, because we're just solving it. So minus 7 is equal to minus 35. So y is equal to 5, you can see. Now we'll put y is equal to 5 in third equation. We'll get the value of x. So put y is equal to 5 in equation 3. So x is 11 minus 2y, no, 3y, sorry, 11 minus 3y, 11 minus 3y, 3y upon 2. So 11 minus this is 15, so minus 4 upon 2. So therefore x is minus 2 and y is 5. Y is 5, right? So now the next thing is that we have to find the value of m, and for that if you see, we have to substitute the value of uh, x and y in this equation and we'll get, तो आ जाएगा अभी, ठीक है, x is equal to minus 1. So m is equal to, not this. So the equation was in which we have to substitute y is equal to mx plus 3. So y is 5, m we do not know, x is minus 2. So here I will do the rest part. So 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. This 3 are transferred here, so it is like this. So minus 2m is equal to 2. So therefore m is equal to minus 1. So they were asking what is the value of m. So m is minus 1. That is the solution. Right? So I hope you have understood how it is done. So today I am not giving any homework. What you can do, you can repeat these questions.